welcome back to my channel. You spoke, I listened. You guys really wanted me to go down to Home Bargains and basically do a haul for you. I needed to get some bits and I thought, yeah, okay, there's a Home Bargains about half an hour drive. I will do that for you guys because you're my angels. I'm going to show you guys what is new in Home Bargains. I really wanted to go down and check out what was new, to be honest, because Christmas has just been and gone. So if you are new, my name is Sophie, aka Sopharina. I make 3 videos on this channel every week, just like this one. So yeah, I would subscribe if I was you. Get your cups of teas. Got mine in my trusty hedgehog mug again. I'm drinking a black tea today, as you can see. I don't drink milk in my tea. I did try almond milk in tea, but yeah, it wasn't my fave. We're gonna get nice and cozy and I'm gonna show you some bits that I bought for the home. Without further ado, let's get to the video. Okay, so I have a big bag here, bag for life. Oh, it's actually so heavy. I don't know what that noise was. I got a mixture of stuff. I'm going to start with the cleaning products because I know you guys are excited to see those. The first thing I picked up from Home Bargains this time was some Cif cream. Growing up, we always used to clean our house with this, and for some reason, ever since I live on my own now, in my own home, I forgot that this exists, but this stuff is so good. It literally completely removes so much dirt from your sinks. I mainly use something like this on my sinks and baths in my house and around my taps. I've gone back to the Cif life, not gonna lie. There were 2 versions of Cif. One of them had these microbead scrubbing things inside it, which is like an agent to help you scrub your surfaces. I would recommend not going for that one because the microbeads are actually so bad for the environment. I found this one with 100% natural cleaning particles, which means it's got seeds of fruits. I was actually really impressed that I found this in the cleaning aisle. This is pink flower flavour. I haven't actually smelt it. Oh, I need to start saying scent because every time I say flavour it really annoys people. Oh, it smells so nice. It smells so nice actually. I can't wait to use that. I'm going to use this pretty much for my bathroom sink, my bathroom shower head, and also the bath and the tap head because they can get really lime scaly. So I was happy I found this. How much was it? It was 99p and it's quite a big bottle, like it's quite a heavy bottle. This will probably last me quite a few weeks. So the next thing I picked up was one of my besties. It is the Flora and it is the Summer Breeze scent, and it's actually in the bigger bottle. It's £1.99, which isn't bad. Home Bargains does have quite a few scents of Sephora, but the other scents I'd already had or I didn't like. So I really don't like the lemon one because I just feel like it smells like a public toilet. But I love these kind of ones that make your kitchen smell good, make your kitchen smell so nice. I know these aren't great to have in your house if you've got pets. I'm totally aware of that. But I only clean my house in the morning when my cats are outside in the garden, and then I make sure any kind of residue is gone. I don't clean the floors with it, don't you worry. But yeah, this smells really nice, and obviously I needed to pick myself up as a Flora. I mean, I needed to. So the next thing I got was actually a recommendation from one of you lovely people. So you guys comment on my videos all the time telling me where to get certain things, and the other day I picked up some bath salts and you all told me that I could find Himalayan bath salts in Home Bargains, so I went and I found some. Yes, so these are the Westlab Himalayan bath salts, my favourite bath salts by far. I have bath salts in my bath nearly every single bath. I really find it just relaxes me, makes me feel recuperated, and they're just good for you. They're completely natural and they're full of minerals. I'm sure it like seeps into my skin and makes me feel good. This bag is actually super heavy. It is completely full to the top. I don't know if Home Bargains just buy the extra full bags, but I've never had a bag Westlab salts this full up, so I was really happy with this. This bag was £2.99. It will last me for ages. I'm telling you, this will last me for so long. I used to get these from Home Sense, but they are considerably cheaper in places like Home Bargains and B&M. So yeah, I got some Himalayan bath salts. They are naturally pink as well, and who doesn't want a naturally pink salted bath? So while I was in Home Bargains, they had an entire section for Valentine's Day. Yes, it's happening. Valentine's Day stuff is here, there and everywhere. Obviously I am in a relationship, and yeah, we are romantic, but I'm not too much of a Valentine's person. I find it like a massive marketing thing. I tend to like not go crazy on Valentine's. Like a card and just a little something would be fine in my opinion. Like we're quite romantic together anyway, so I don't need to go OTT. But anyway, I was having a look in their Valentine section. They had a lot, so if you do go overboard, go overboard. But I did buy my boyfriend some socks. I get him socks all the time, and that's kind of a selfish reason as well, because I love wearing his socks. They just feel nicer. Men's socks feel nicer. But I got him a pair of Love Heart socks, so I'm sure he will love these. So I got him a pair of these anyway, which I will give to him with a card. The socks cost me 99p, and they actually feel like really good quality, nice thick socks, not those thin horrible like Sweaty Betty socks. 75% cotton, so they're pretty cottony. Next up, I purchased some pot of coconut cream. Now my hairdresser told me to go into somewhere like Aldi or Home Bargains or B&M. For 99p you can get a pot of natural coconut oil, and it is so good for your hair. I know it's good for lots of other things, but this is the specific pot that she recommended to me, so I thought I would give it a go. As you can see, my hair is thick and curly. I look like Curly Sue today. Yeah, apparently it's so good for like nourishing your hair. Because I have really thick curly hair, my hair doesn't really ever get greasy. It just can dry up. So apparently this is really good. On for as long as possible, then wash it out the next day, and your hair will be totally transformed. So I've never tried this. I know lots of people do try this. Wow, it smells sweet. So I'm going to try this out. I probably will put more of this on my Instagram stories, so if you follow me on Instagram I will tell you how it goes. For 99p for like a hair mask that will last quite a while, because a little bit goes a long way with this, I think it's really good. So I'm excited to try this. Okay, I'm really excited about the next thing. Now I found this in the bath section. This is an exfoliating back scrub belt, back wash belt. So basically it's an exfoliating belt, and you can just do this in the bath. So I feel like my back doesn't get exfoliated enough, because obviously it's really hard to reach around and try and exfoliate your own back. This would be really good because I like to have really soft skin, especially, I mean, I do not get fake tan, but if I'm going to start putting fake tan on, which I should because I'm so pale, I'm going to need something like this to really like exfoliate my back and just clear all the dead skin. TMI, I know, but it's the truth. So I found this. I've never actually seen one of these before. It was 99p. You can't go wrong with something like that. They did also have all the mitts that you can exfoliate. Guess who's going to have the softest back in all of the UK? Okay, next up, I purchased myself some toilet tablets. I don't know if anybody else gets these or uses them, but I love them. Just before Christmas, I will link the video below, my boyfriend and I went to Asda and we've done a huge shop, and randomly we picked up some of these blue toilet tablets, and ever since we've been hooked, because all you do is drop it in your toilet bowl at the top, and then every time you flush it kind of just, the water's like sort of bleached. Is that what it is? The water is bleached, it has disinfectant in, and the water comes out a different colour, which is the best part of it. Just a quick and easy way of keeping your toilet fresh smelling and clean and nice. I picked up these purple ones. Before we had green, and although the green was fun, I feel like purple, hello, this is going to be a lot more fun. It was only 99p again. They smell really nice and they're easy to do and use. What I also liked about these is the wrapper it's in is biodegradable, so you just drop the whole thing into the toilet. You don't need to take the wrapper off. Home Bargains actually has great home stuff, so it has amazing stuff for your kitchen, has lots of plates and bowls and cutlery. If you want affordable things for a kitchen, or say you're a student in uni, I would recommend going to Home Bargains. But I didn't need much of that today because we are still living here and we're hopefully moving house in the next few months after I sell this house. So once that's sold, I will be buying a lot more homey stuff, don't worry. But I did have a look in their mug section, and you know, I just couldn't resist this one. It's a black cat mug. I thought this mug was so cute. It has gold little ears at the side. There were white versions of these, but yeah, I have a black cat, so I'm a bit biased. So I got myself this. I think this is so cute. They did have lots and lots of other mugs, by the way. They had like a whole section of mugs. I think next time I go I will take my vlogging camera and just let you guys know what it looks like inside. This mug was £2.49 and I just think it's cute. I do have a few other black cat mugs, but can you have too many mugs? Can you? I also got myself some hairspray. As you can see, my hair is very unruly, so sometimes when I actually style it or plait it, I like to put a little bit of hairspray on top and I'd run out. I always go for the same hairspray, which is the L'Oreal hairspray. If you know any really good hairsprays that are good for curly hair or good for shine, let me know in the comments down below, because I'm not too good with the whole hairspray thing. Looking in the hair care section, I also purchased myself some hydrating tea tree shampoo and conditioner. Now I have used this brand before, OGX I think it's called. This brand I do like. I think it's a good brand to use. I thought this would be good to try. I do want to try a lot more tea tree products. I know the Body Shop is really good for tea tree, so any tea tree products that you can recommend me, let me know in the comments down below. I'm going to try these out for my hair and I will let you know. I've always found tea tree to be really good for like revitalizing things. Okay, so these were £2.99 each, so £6 on shampoo and conditioner is not bad at all. I do tend to use more high-end products as well. I don't just use the really affordable stuff, by the way, I'm just letting you know. And then in the food section, because I mean, who can't buy food when they're in the supermarket? Because I can't. I can't. They had all of their Easter stuff out. Now I have avoided so far, I feel like it's far too early to engage in Easter things, but the only thing I did get, okay, this is a bit Eastery, I'm not gonna lie, this is the Cadbury's Dairy Milk and Dime Little Eggs. OMG, if you've ever tried these, you'll know what I'm talking about. These are addictive. Probably will finish this with one cup of tea, but I couldn't resist, so these were 99p. And also from the food section, I purchased myself some rice cakes. So these are salt and vinegar flavoured rice cakes. As you can see, they're exactly the same as the packaging of Snacker Jacks. So they taste exactly the same and they're just as nice. But I find these really good if you are a snacker like me. Oh my gosh, I snack all of the time. And because I'm always snacking, I'm trying to like snack on more healthy stuff. I got these, they're quite big. I'll probably have like 2 at a time max, and they will last me a little while. 89p. So at only 89p, which is a lot cheaper than you would get Snacker Jacks. Honestly, I think my favourite thing had to be the Himalayan bath salts, because I live in the bath and I love to have a Himalayan bath salted bath. Honestly, I highly recommend it. If you're someone like me who gets anxious quite easily, get yourself some bath salts. It won't cure anything, but it definitely makes you feel a little bit better. It takes the edge off things. Remember to leave me some suggestions on what videos you want to see next coming on this channel. I will be doing a lot more come shop with me, so you guys keep asking if I can take you to these places like B&M and Home Bargains and Aldi, and I'm more than happy to do that. I will be doing that in the short coming weeks. So obviously if you enjoy these type of videos, if you like my channel, I would subscribe. Thank you so much for watching as always. I love you guys very much. Thank you for all of your support and I will see you again very soon. Mwah. Bye.